Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by declaring intent. This directs decisions and energy. Once done, collect 3-5 tools and references so you won't stop mid-flow. Begin with quick 10-15-minute warm-ups to loosen your hand and eye. These loosen constraints and reveal unexpected marks. Make a focused one-sentence prompt to return to when you doubt direction. Don't waste time perfecting materials. Choose what calls to you and begin a fast, imperfect sketch that captures the overall composition and main shapes. You now move into sustained building. Block major shapes and define the value structure using big gestures to avoid overworking details. Once done, layer textures and glazes in stages so each passes reads clearly. Drying or rest between layers preserves depth. Make sure to step back every 10-20 minutes and compare against your intent line. This keeps composition honest. If something lags, isolate the problem area and test one corrective change rather than starting over. Small iterations compound into unity. You finish by amplifying the focal point. Push contrast, saturation, or fine detail so viewers' eyes land where you intend. Once done, add unifying touches, thin glazes, edge softening, or subtle marks that harmonize foreground and background. Make sure to sign or document the process, then photograph in consistent light. If the work feels flat, try one targeted fix. Boost a single contrast, warm or cool the palette slightly, or simplify nearby forms. This single change often revives the whole piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.